Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. This is bike day. Nick got a bike. He got that Sabrosa Malum 22.
You can just say Malum.
Yeah. So Alex had to get a bike, and he did. I mean, we can all go bike riding now. So Alex is out on the truck working. We got his bike today. We're gonna put it together for him. It's the Haro
Midway Freecoaster.
Midway Freecoaster. Yeah, he had to get a BMX bike also. Way out of me and Gail's league. So we're going to take this thing, open it up, and see what's inside it like we did Nick's. Try to put it together. Alright, flip her back. Let's see what we got.
Everything's getting ready to fall out.
Okay. Don't let that happen. Alright. Nice.
Same kind of seat that I had, basically.
Looky here. That's the box. That's what comes in the box. Oh, he bought pegs. I guess a BMX bike has to have pegs. Look at that color. Matches your shirt, Nick.
Yeah, it kind of does. Let's see.
Alright. Does that stand up like yours did? Hopefully.
Should. What else we attached to over here? Another chain guard.
The beefy tires.
A Mesa. It is. Ooh. Yeah.
I can't see that.
Yeah, 65 max.
Oh, that's like yours. Oh man, Alex is what, 4 inches taller than you?
No, he isn't.
What, 2 inches taller?
Yeah, he's 2 inches taller.
And he got smaller tires.
Yeah, he got a smaller bike. But he didn't want what I had.
Yep.
So.
Alright. Boy, that is a pretty color.
Yeah, no, Alex,
Alex should have the olive drab.
man.
That is little.
Yeah, that is a little bike.
Oh good, it will stand up.
Yeah, it doesn't have the
thing. But
yeah, but that's 21-inch top tube. So.
Alright, so we're going to start this one, like we did next, with the handlebars. Uh-oh, we got an audience. Here's our latest kitty that showed up. We call him Pumpkin. What's up, kitty? What's up, kitty cat? He comes around for the free food. Alright. Haro. Wow, that really is such an awesome color.
Yeah, it does look pretty good, doesn't it?
Black handlebars.
So, good. Probably about right there.
Do you remember that? When you're good, you're watched. Okay, that's probably good enough.
Here, aren't you standing in front of the camera?
Yeah, but I'm not going to use it. I'm recording here.
Okay. I get distracted.
I mean, that's just for an occasional full background shot. I mean, it's recording, but I don't have to use it.
All right, I was about to say, like, that would be crazy.
All right. See, yours has a quick release thing on it.
Yeah, which is nice.
Hang on a second. Oh, okay, that's grass. I thought that was a scratch already.
And Alex would be pissed.
Oh, nice looking brakes.
Yeah, 1978. But they're sitting on that bad boy.
Yeah. All right. Now, may as well put the pedals on. A bit bigger.
Right side. Right side, left side. That was
Look at how
so,
easy that one went on.
yeah, so much
Compared
easier
to
than mine.
yours.
Yeah.
Remember, we didn't have
But that's
the size for yours.
That's slightly smaller than mine.
Yeah. My wrenches are laying up on top there.
Well, that'd work.
What is it?
17.
Yeah.
Because I don't have a 16 and neither do you.
Right. Still was a lot easier than yours.
All right. That's on there. This chain is seriously tight.
And yours was seriously loose.
Yeah, mine's.
Well,
is
we'll get
now.
it over to Wheel Crafters and
Yeah, I know.
get it tucked up.
Yeah, because I don't have a chain tool, so I don't know how to do. I don't know how to do that.
All right.
Ooh, I like that. I didn't even notice that.
What,
This
on
is
the
Midway,
inside?
yeah.
The inside of the tube or forks.
Yeah.
All right.
It's almost.
All right.
So, handlebars straight with. No, that's off.
For 60, you say?
Yeah.
60 pounds? All right. Let's try it. It only had 3 pounds in it. love my Craftsman pump. Battery operated, DC or AC. Alright, now the front tire. Go ahead and get the back or a set of pegs out. We'll try it on the back. They're on the lawnmower over there.
So you got to take bolts off, slide these on,
And then
put the bolts.
Yeah,
I
Alex
don't have-
can do that when he gets home.
I don't think I have a socket long
Right.
enough to reach down in there.
Well, you get an extension. Alright.
Oh yeah, I guess extension would be fine.
Alright, there you go. 21-inch top tube and a 22-inch top tube. 20-inch tires and what? 22-inch tire? 24?
I have 22-inch tires.
22-inch tires and 20-inch tires.
Um,
A Haro and a Sabrosa.
yeah, so.
You see Dick already went and got a new peg, a tall peg, or seat post,
Yeah.
and a different seat for his. Alex is going to wind up doing the same thing, I'm sure,
Yeah, and I'm not
because of his height.
putting the pegs on it.
Right.
But take it out for a test drive.
Yeah.
All right, so that was not tight enough. I got to tighten some stuff up on this.
Yep.
Whew, and this isn't.
As Nick said, solid feel.
Yeah.
Okay, now, Nick, what's your first impression of this after you put it together and rode it?
It feels pretty solid. It's a little bit harder to pedal
We
than
can tell.
mine.
Yeah. Maybe the smaller tires makes it harder?
Yeah, I think so. That and I think this brake's sticking, or well,
Yeah.
not quite sticking, but no, it feels pretty solid.
Adjusted. All right.
It's
Your chain's loose, his is tight.
Yeah, no,
that's the factory for you.
no, I think I stretched a link or something.
Yeah.
But no, I just got to adjust a few things, tighten this up because that was not tight enough.
Yeah.
Brakes grab real hard,
Really, unlike yours.
real hard. Yeah, mine work, but these, it.
All right.
But no, it's solid, man. It's a solid bike. Alex is really gonna like it.
All right.
I could not sit down and pedal.
Yeah.
I could on mine a little bit, but with the original seat. But this one, nope, forget about it.
Hold on.
You know what we didn't get? We need to look to see if we have a cover for the
I
house
don't.
burner.
I forgot to get one. All right. Okay, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed this. This was a lot of fun putting this together for Alex. It'll be neat when he gets home and gets to ride it.
Yeah.
And then we'll all go for a ride together.
The grips,
Grips?
Alex is gonna want to change these.
Really?
Yeah,
They look small and
They move a lot.
yeah.
They are small, but I don't like the way they feel. I like the way mine feel.
That brake cable's not in the little holders.
What are you talking about?
No?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. Oh, this is where you can adjust it.
Yeah, but
But it's crooked.
yeah,
That thing is mounted.
a little bit.
We gotta loosen these up. That's what wheel crafters will do.
Yeah,
They'll fine tune the brakes.
yeah, but No, other than the grips and me not tightening everything up the way I thought it, I thought it was tight enough. Yeah, no, it's
Good job.
solid.
All right.
It's a solid bike. I can't wait for Alex to.
Yeah.
Alex is
Go tearing down the trail.
giant
Giant
butt.
frame.
Well, you guys both.
All right.
I know, but
Hope y'all enjoyed this. Remember to like, share, comment. Got any questions? Nick answers them. He reads the questions and the comments, so he answers them.
And then if you want to know why I'm cleaning up, is
And
because that's what I
you
get
see
to do.
Gail's mom doing what Gail always does for Nick and Alex.
Gail's
Never has
mom.
to do it for me, but she has to clean up after Nick and Alex.
No, I cleaned up my
I know.
stuff. I picked up.
All right, folks.
Anyways.
We're out.